You're Rohit.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me the spiritual importance of Kolhapur.
So Kolhapur has lot of architectural sites, such as there is a Mahalakshmi temple, sir, in the Kolhapur, which is famously known for the various tourist places, sir. Also, when we see the Bhakti movement, there has a root in the Kolhapur as well, sir. Apart from this, sir, we have a Jain temple in around the Kolhapur city. There is a in Hatkalli there is a Jain temple, sir. So this kind of spiritual things are there in Kolhapur, sir.
Okay. Not the Shakti temple over there?
Sorry, sir, but Mahalakshmi temple is one of the Shakti pits, so
In Kolhapur?
in Kolhapur, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
So you didn't name that?
Yes, I first was there, sir. Mahalakshmi temple. Yes.
You're interested in calisthenics.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
What sort of a grace and movement do you desire?
Yes, sir. Basically, sir, I learned the calisthenics from my school level, sir. I was a gymnastic player, sir, in school level. Since then, I'm doing exercises in calisthenics, sir. Mostly, I do for first 5 to 10 minutes. I do basic movements, sir, such as push-ups or squats. Later, then I also took the handstand and handspring as well as presently as well, sir.
What is the difference between exercise, calisthenics and yoga?
Sir, exercise is where we just warm up all the physical parts of the body, sir.
It is the difference is related to objectives of these.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what is the objective of calisthenics?
Okay, sir.
What is the objective of exercises? And what is the objective of yoga?
Okay, sir. In exercise, sir, objective is just warm up or warm all the body parts, sir. In the calisthenics, sir, we have to be just objective of the strengthening, sir. And in the yoga, sir, mostly they are focusing on the consciousness and the consciousness and flexibility, sir. I feel that these are the objective of these things, sir. These three things, sir.
Are you sure about calisthenics? Because calisthenics aims to perform those exercises which improves the grace of the movement of the body.
Yes, sir.
So is it for strength building or is it for acquisition of grace?
I think, sir, it is for the movement or all the parts of body that such as stretching is there, sir. So I feel that the most focus on the strength and the flexibility, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you, I think you've given a new meaning to calisthenics.
Okay, sir, I will look into it, sir. Okay, sir.
Acha. Now, you studied all the subjects in school, right? Till 12th, you studied Marathi, Hindi, mathematics, science, technology, English, social science, physics, chemistry, biology. Do you remember anything from those days? Now you've forgotten.
Sir, I remember something, sir.
Which was your favorite subject?
In school, sir.
In school.
I think, sir, science was my first favorite course. Also, sir, Bijganit was also there, sir.
Huh?
Maths was also there, sir.
Maths was also there, and science.
Yes, sir.
Maths and science was your favorite.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, can you define Archimedes' principle?
Sorry, sir. At this moment, I am not able to recall, sir.
Boyle's law, Charles' law?
Sorry, sir. I will look into it, sir.
Okay. Then, in maths, what is mantissa?
Sorry, sir.
These were all in school, huh? Right? What are axioms in geometry?
Sir, I think that they are meaning for the Marathi meaning, sir, because I did my lot
Yes,
of,
could
so
be,
that's
could
why
be.
I'm not able to
Yes,
connect
yes.
that word, sir.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
feel
yeah,
that.
yeah. I agree, I agree.
Yes, sir.
Not an issue, not an issue.
Yes, sir.
So, you tell me, what do you remember in science? Take any concept, any law, explain it to me. Like I'm in school and I have not heard about it, and introduce me to that concept.
There was a law of Newton's gravitation law, sir, which mostly focuses on the how this things are having the gravitational value in every object, sir, which depend on the mass of the two things, sir, and inversely proportional to the distance between them, sir.
So, this is law of
Newton's law.
Newton's law of.
Sorry, sir, at this moment I am not able to recall, sir. I will look into it, sir. I will look into it.
Do you remember any Hindi poem?
No, sir.
No? Marathi poem?
No, sir.
No. So, you're forgetting what you're learning. You need to forget many things to learn new things. What are the new things you've learned?
As you
Tell me the difference between a bit and a qubit.
Sir, I think a qubit is mostly concerned about the quantum technology, sir, and bit is more about the conventional computing system, sir.
Yes, correct. What advantage does it bring?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between rules of classical physics and rules of quantum physics?
In quantum physics, sir, they provide lot of surface area or lot of minor things for the any kind of physical or any kind of object, sir. So I feel that that give any kind of activity more chance or more surface area for any kind of reaction, sir.
No, dear. You should. Where did you read this? If you don't know, is it difficult to say I don't know? Like you said, I don't remember. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you don't know,
So exactly I don't know, just I am refreshing my older knowledge, sir, because recently I don't read about this quantum physics or conventional things, sir.
then how do you know this?
Just
How do you
I
know what you know? Okay, not an issue. Tell me about the freedom movement. Was Gandhi relevant after 1945 in Indian politics?
Sir, we say that, or we see that the Gandhiji has go in the dominant phase in the after the 1945. We just recall that phase, but when we see their activities or his activity in the partition or in West Bengal, he has immense prominence or in the partition in the West Bengal, sir. So I don't feel that he has don't role in the after the 1946. He has a role to pacify the people in around the partition areas.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Rohit, tell us the 3 top contribution of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Sir, Shahu Maharaj as a ninth Chhatrapati of the Kolhapur Institute, sir. He contributed lot of things, sir. He firstly invented the Edwards College for the farmer training, sir, in the Kolhapur. Secondly, he has built the Radhanagari Dam which is also called as Lakshmi Nagar, sir, for the benefits of the irrigation purpose, sir. And also he has a lot of contribution in cooperatives because he was the one who constructed the urban cooperative of the Kolhapur, sir. These are the three things I can remember, sir.
All three his contribution which you mentioned are related to agriculture and economics.
Okay.
Any contribution in social sector?
Yes, sir. He was the first who introduced the concept of free education in all the students, sir. Second is he has a role in making the reservation of 50% in the Kolhapur area for the backward class, sir. These are the social contribution of the Shahu sir.
Okay. So you mentioned about the reservation, and now there is a demand of Maratha community demanding reservation in OBC. So what is your take on that?
I think the Maharashtra government has decided to give a reservation for the Maratha in the separate category, sir. SCBC category, they are provided SCBC category with 10% reservation, sir. Sir, I feel that they have a reservation in SCBC, so I don't feel that the Maratha category should have a reservation in OBC. If they have a required criteria or required document, they will approach the court or they will get a reservation, sir.
So, but Maratha community is protesting at huge level. They are talking the Mumbai, a city like economic capital of India, city like Mumbai. Then how to sort out these issues? Because you are saying that should not be given reservation to the OBC, but the community is demanding and lakhs of people gathering in a city like Mumbai.
Sir, the government has also providing the separate reservations, sir. Apart from this, sir, government has taken the other diluted activities, like there are Hyderabad document or the Satara document, where there are a lot of mentions of the Kunbi certificates, sir. So they are finding the record of Kunbi because Maratha people are demanding the certificates of the Kunbi to all the people, sir. So I feel that government has providing a lot of measures for the concerned Maratha people, sir.
Okay, so should all Marathas be given the certificate as Kunbi?
No, sir. But all those people having the record in the given statute or given records, they should have a reservation. Otherwise, there should not be all kind of reservation in the all people of Maratha category, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So, Rohit, what is the contribution of Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj after Rajaram Maharaj?
Sir, Shahu Maharaj has a lot of immense contribution in the social or economic of the social and economic of the Kolhapur, sir. He had made a reservation for the Kolhapur.
Asking about another Shahu Maharaj after Rajaram Maharaj.
Sorry, sir, I am not aware about this, sir. I will look into it, sir.
1707 to 1749.
Okay, sir.
Who was Bajirao Peshwa under who was the Chhatrapati when Bajirao Peshwa, Balaji Vishwanath were there?
Sorry, sir, I will do that.
Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj.
Okay, sir.
So, Rohit, you are from agriculture background and from the Kolhapur. What are the three takeaways that you would like to emulate from the agriculture in Kolhapur, which other cities or other parts of Maharashtra should replicate?
I think, sir, first is diversification of the crop because in the eastern Kolhapur, most of the crops are growing, such as there are a lot of horticulture activities is growing in the around Kolhapur. Second is there are marketing activities because Kolhapur or Western Maharashtra is known for the cooperative sector, sir. So we can imitate this cooperative sector across the Maharashtra. And sir, third is I think the irrigation facility the Kolhapur is having, sir. We can replicate in and around the Maharashtra, sir. Specifically in the Vidarbha or Marathwada region, sir.
See, Kolhapur is also known for its chili, specifically. Kolhapuri mirchi.
Okay, sir.
What is so special about Kolhapuri mirchi? When we go to restaurant, they specify which Kolhapuri. What is that? What is that component which is giving it the essence?
I don't remember, sir.
Okay. So, any other topic that you want me to ask you about? That you are well prepared. You thought while coming to the interview this will be asked to me. We did not.
Sir, Kolhapur. In Kolhapur, you can ask me, sir. From Kolhapur, sir.
Only Kolhapur?
Or Maharashtra, sir.
Maharashtra.
Okay, sir.
Why there are so many social reformers from Maharashtra, which is very unusual, from rest of India. Maharashtra is land from where many social reformers have come. What can be three major reasons for that phenomenon?
I think, sir, first is the legacy of the Bhakti movement, sir. Because of the Bhakti movement, lot of social reformers has built in medieval times, sir. The Sant Tukaram was there, Eknath was there. So that was the first, sir. I think, sir. Then second is the Maratha or the erstwhile Bombay presidency, which is known for the political activity, sir. So they have a power or they have a voice in the India. So I feel that that can be another factor. And the third is, sir, organization. Because in the Maharashtra, a lot of organizations are there, sir, such as Bombay Presidency was there, Bombay Presidency Association or the Pratana Samaj. So association has promoted the mobility of the people for the social contribution, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So, Rohit, recently government introduced the seed bill 2025. So, how it is different from 1966 Seed Act or the seed order, which was subsequently launched after it?
Sir, seed draft bill has recently proposed by the government, sir. It has lot of provision. First is registration of all the seeds, sir. There was a provision for the registration. Second is then there is a registration of all the seed chains, sir. There, who was a producer or a processor, all the suppliers have to register with the government, sir. And sir, there is third, where Sati portal has mentioned in the draft, sir, which I think provide the availability of the seeds across the India, sir, because last mile person will also benefit from the seeds, sir. And also there was a fourth provision for the Farmers' Right Acts, at par with, sir, the protection of farmer right as mentioned in the 2001 Act, sir. So I think these are the four changes have made in the seed bill, sir.
Your Radhanagari is known for hotspot for the rice varieties, specifically indigenous genotypes, indigenous. You know, in 1980s there was introduction of IR8, the rice variety, which has replaced more than 200 land races in Tamil Nadu. Recently, government has launched two genome-edited varieties of rice. I think you know that, DST 100 and the Kamla. If such genome-edited varieties have been introduced more and more in all the crop, how we can maintain the local genotypes and their identity? How to conserve them?
So government has taken the step to improve the rice genotypes for the better production or better productivity, sir. But we can protect our indigenous variety by making them under the GI tag, sir. So there is the first GI tag for the Ajra Ghansa rice variety, sir, in the Kolhapur, sir. So we can protect under GI tag, sir. Apart from this, sir, we can also
GI tag is a protection or identification?
Sorry, sir, it is identification of the GI tag name, sir.
Okay, then how? We are already, surplus production of rice. We are net exporter. Still, we are introducing this variety. They will literally vanish our local genotypes. How to protect them? It is only responsibility of government.
No, sir. The community has a role in it, sir. So the community, because there are a lot of provisions in the protection of plant varieties and farmer rights, sir. They have a provision for the farmers' rights, sir. So we can protect the indigenous varieties of the rice, sir. Also, there is a role of the agricultural institutions such as agriculture universities. They can make the availability of the seeds to the farmer of the indigenous variety, so that all the farmer can get the indigenous variety.
Ma'am, indigenous variety seeds are already with farmer. Why government should distribute or university would distribute with them? Indigenous means they are already having it.
Sir.
Why should university distribute them? They are the old owners,
Yes,
owners.
Yes,
Tell me basic difference between land, soil and earth.
So earth is a broad concept, sir, where all the land or water is consisted. Then second is land, sir. Then land is land is a general term for the any kind of topography. And when you see the soil, sir, it has a potential of the growing any kind of species, sir, which has a fertility property and other kind of biological activity in the soil, sir.
Just being fertile is enough for production. Can all fertile soil are the productive?
Sir, productivity depends on other factors as well, sir. So there are water is also required, sir. Apart from this, sir, there should be a quality seed for the production of the any kind of species, sir.
What is sustainable, organic farming or residue-free farming? What is sustainable? What is practically possible?
Sir, sustainable farming means we use the input.
What is sustainable? Organic farming or residue-free farming?
Second one, sir. Could you?
Residue-free farming.
I think, sir, both are the part of the sustainable farming, sir. Because in the organic farming, we use the organic inputs for the production of the agriculture, sir, or any kind of crops, sir. And in the residue-free farming, sir, we just focus on the recycling of all the wastage or all the byproduct which are produced by the any kind of crops, sir. We are using for the next generation, sir. So I feel that both are the sustainable farming, sir.
Residue-free farming and crop residue are different concepts.
Okay, sir.
This
I
is
will
the
look into
product. In that I don't want any residue of any chemical. I want free from it.
Sir, I will look into it, sir. I will read about it.
Okay. So what are the plant species you are using in ornamental gardening? What is it? Just explain us.
Sir, ornamental gardening is a way of making the any kind of building with a aesthetic value or make more overall landscape should be a beautiful, sir. That was the aim for the ornamental gardening, sir. And we use lot of species of the ornamental purposes, sir. There are a dwarf variety of the dwarf zerora or the. Sorry, sir, I am not able to recall, sir. At this moment, I will look into it, sir.
Okay. You studied from the Mahatma Phule Agriculture University. What is his contribution to agriculture? His name is given to Agriculture University. It means that he has done something great for agriculture.
Sorry, sir. For the agriculture per se, I am not able to recall. I am not studied, sir.
The last question to you. There was issue between for Kolhapuri chappal, that Prada, the international brand they have taken there. So in this context, tell me what is difference between trademark and trade secret? Whether your Kolhapuri chappal has a trademark or it has some trade secrets?
Sir, I think it is because Kolhapur chappal have a GI tag, sir. So they are different from the trade mark and trade secret, sir. Because trademark has a legal constitute, sir. But in the GI tag, sir, they are only providing protection for the name of the any kind of product, sir, for the particular area, sir. So that's why the Prada keep claiming that they are not violating any kind of Kolhapur chappal's GI property, sir.
Okay, sir, please.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So Rohit, if you look at Rohit Sharma as a cricketer and Saint Tukaram, three common things you can bring here in front of us.
I think, sir, first was the calmness of both the people. Then second is both have a very hardworking life in their past, sir. Both has feel what kind of the family has suffering in the initial years, sir.
What was the suffering for Rohit Sharma with respect to family?
Because he was coming from the humble background, sir. So that's why I am comparing with that nature, sir.
I think something more convincing.
Sorry, sir, I am not able to recall.
Which is better, agricultural subsidy or investment?
Certainly, sir, investment, sir.
Why? Subsidy gives an immediate relief.
Exactly, sir. Subsidy has provided short-term relief for the farmers, sir. But investment can create a infrastructure for the agriculture that can sustain for a long period, sir. So I feel that investment is better than the subsidy, sir.
So considering your agricultural background, suppose you are appointed into the Indian Revenue Service, 3 areas or sectors where you will like to raise the revenue, or the areas where you like to have the taxes so as to have the agricultural investment funded.
Sources from the agriculture, sir, or other kind of sources?
Three areas or sectors. You are into the Indian Revenue Service, suppose.
Yes, sir.
Now you are defending agricultural investment. So definitely you have to boost up the investment.
Yes.
So 3 areas or sectors where you will like to raise the revenue or you will like to impose taxes.
Apart from the present structure, sir. Apart from the present structure or the having new kind of tax imposition, sir.
Current also or new also, both.
Okay. So we can use the current provision of the revenue, sir. Also we can also impose the tax on the larger farmers' income, sir. We can also use that option as well, sir.
Is it a good idea to tax agricultural income?
Not all the farmers we should tax the agriculture income, sir. We can make a cap like the who has a larger land, sir, above the 50 acres. We can use their income because they are using agriculture income for the other purpose, sir. So we can use their income, sir.
Shall we tax the income based upon land area or production, productivity, profitability?
Sir, certainly production and the profitability, sir. But whose farmer land is more than 50 acres, sir, they are certainly getting lot of income, sir. I feel that, so that's why we can.
What if the major area of that land is barren or fallow?
Definitely, sir, there are concerns regarding the ground variety, sir. But we can take that option for all the area under the cultivation, sir.
Okay, any other areas or sectors where you can like to go for taxes?
Sorry, sir, I am not able to.
Can you tell me formula for calculating agriculture income? If you want to tax it, we have to calculate it, no?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me formula for it?
I am not aware about the exact formula, sir, but I think it has a jurisdiction of the Talaki officer, sir.
He
And the
must
agriculture.
know the formula, no? Then how to calculate it.
Sir, I am not aware about the formula, sir. I will leave it.
Okay.
Last question.
Yes, sir.
What are your views upon the entry of corporate sector into agriculture? Pinpointedly.
Definitely, sir. Corporate sector in the agriculture make a big difference, sir. Because in the corporate sector, they are mainly focusing on the productivity and the profit aspect, sir. But having said that, sir, we have to protect our small and marginal farmers, sir. So we can have a oversee of the any kind of government body in the corporation and the agriculture mix, sir. So we have to be judicious while entering the corporate sector in the agriculture, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
We'll call you back in a minute.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
आपको कैसा लगा, कैसा किया आपने?
सर जो मैंने प्रिपेयर किया है सर, so that's why I feel that all the first section questions are out of bounds, sir, because I am not prepared for that school level section, sir, and I was also nervous in the initial moment as well, sir, because I just say good evening in the intro of the door.
ये सब तो small technical चीजें हैं. What is your plus point?
Sorry, sir.
आज तो देखिए हम बता देते हैं, ठीक है? हनुमान जी भी थे ना, तो उनको पता नहीं था कि वो समुद्र पार कर सकते हैं. उनको बताया गया कि अरे आप तो जब पैदा हुए थे तो सूर्य को निगल लिया था. हाँ, तो ये चीज क्या है आपके लिए? तो यू गॉट अ गुड पर्सनैलिटी, ठीक है? डरते नहीं हो, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. अच्छा, लेकिन अवेयर रहो ना अपने सराउंडिंग्स के. When you came, you came in smartly, but you sat before the permission.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's my question.
पहले
I feel later, sir.
पहले बाहर नॉक करो,
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, ताकि हमें पता चल जाएगा कि कोई तो आ रहा है।
Okay, sir.
तो नॉक करने के बाद फिर उसको जेंटली पुश करो, खोल दो दरवाजे को, फिर पूछो मे आई कम इन सर, ठीक है, एकदम शांति से। आप एकदम रश से आ गए, फिर बैठ गए, तो फिर पूछो, फिर यहाँ पे आके सबको ग्रीट करो, सर चेयरमैन से शुरुआत करके ग्रीट कर दो, तब तक वो फिर आपको परमिशन दे देंगे, फिर आराम से बैठ जाओ। कोई मतलब जल्दबाजी नहीं है।
Okay.
अच्छा, ऐसा क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है? इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है ना कि ब्यूरोक्रेसी बहुत फॉर्मल
Yes, sir.
एनवायरनमेंट होता है,
Yes.
जिसमें डिसिप्लिन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, ठीक है। सो वैसे तो एक समझदार सीनियर विल नॉट कीप यू वेटिंग टू से सिट डाउन, ठीक है, बट ही मे,
Yes, sir.
if he does that, then you keep standing, because otherwise it will show that you are not disciplined.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You have to project that you are disciplined,
Yes.
ठीक है। नंबर 1, नंबर 2 कि देखो, ये आपको जैसे स्कूल में जो पढ़े हो, अगर उसको समझ गए हो तो उसको याद करने की क्या जरूरत है, कोई भी बता देगा। आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल, तो आप जो साइंस पढ़ा है, रास्ते चलते आदमी पान बेचने वाले को पूछो, अगर साइंस पढ़ा है बता देगा आपको। सो यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द एसेंस, एंड एसेंस वन नेवर फॉरगेट्स, राइट। और वो जो था, जो आप बता रहे थे, न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन,
First combination, sir.
तो the force of attraction between two objects is directly proportional to the mass of the objects.
Product of the mass of the object, sir. Yes.
To the, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them.
Yes, sir. Yes.
है ना? Now I didn't prepare, but हमने स्कूल में कभी पढ़ा था, तो वो समझ में उस समय आ गया हो, तो अभी तक याद है मुझे, ठीक है। So you are expected, because
Yes.
it is your experience which is going to help you as a bureaucrat.
Yes.
So your experience of education should be part of your personality,
Yes, sir.
right? Achha. Third, you said no, I don't know, to a number of questions.
Yes.
That only speaks about your honesty, that you are not dishonest. ठीक है, नहीं आता है, किसी को बेवकूफ बनाने की कोशिश मत करना वहाँ पे,
Yes, sir.
बिकॉज वहाँ पे एक्सपर्ट्स होते हैं,
Yes.
एंड वंस दे थिंक कि वो ही इज टेकिंग अस फॉर अ राइड, दे विल मार्क यू डाउन ऑन ऑनेस्टी एंड इंटेग्रिटी, राइट। सो दैट इज अनक्वेश्चनेबली यू आर वेरी ब्राइट इन योर ऑनेस्टी, एंड नॉट नोइंग इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, नोबडी नोज एवरीथिंग।
So, but we have to prepare on the.
But yes, what you जो आप पढ़े हो उसके बारे में तो मालूम होना चाहिए, ठीक है। तो ये and you will do well. कब है आपका इंटरव्यू?
4th February, sir.
टाइम है, ठीक है। अपना डैफ देखो
Yes, sir.
और उसमें सोच लो क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकता है,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। 4 फरवरी के टाइम पे बजट इम्पोर्टेंट है।
Yes, sir. Very important.
तो बजट के प्रोसेसेस का कुछ जानकारी रहना चाहिए, यू नो। एग्रीकल्चर इज योर सब्जेक्ट,
Yes, sir.
नाउ एग्रीकल्चर में टेक्निकली यू शुड बी ऑल राइट। इन्होंने आपसे वो क्वेश्चंस पूछे जो आपने बताया कि हाँ इसमें पता है, उसमें आपने सही जवाब दिया, प्रिसाइज था, यू नो। वैसा ही होना चाहिए, ये सब आपको जानना चाहिए जो आपका डैप।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है।
I will prepare. Okay, sir.
तो जस्ट डोंट वेस्ट टाइम,
Yes, sir.
और प्रिपेयर भी करो एंड अपियर फॉर मोर मॉक इंटरव्यूज।
Yes, sir. Okay.
जैसे सर एक क्वेश्चन आपको पूछा था कि स्कूल में विच इज़ योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट,
Yeah.
तो ये तो इसमें कुछ तो होना चाहिए या फिर नहीं होना चाहिए? You are guessing. कि
Because I was not prepared for that kind of question we will the panel will ask.
Question is not about preparation.
Yes, sir.
कि मेरा कोई था या मेरा कुछ था, कोई सब्जेक्ट था नहीं.
Okay, okay.
ठीक है ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. जैसे with respect to other questions you are saying ना no. तो उसको भी कोई दोनों में से एक अप्रोच कि मेरा कोई फेवरेट या कोई नहीं है मेरा कोई.
मराठी बोल तो चलो.
पता है कि वो सामने से क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा.
क्वेश्चन ही I have to be handle करेंगे.
ठीक है. तो we wish you all the best and you got a good, very good personality. आपसे बातचीत करना engaging है. You make your presence felt. That is good. That is required.
लास्ट के क्वेश्चन तक आपका कॉन्फिडेंस और या उस क्वेश्चन को एज अ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरह लेना. दैट अप्रोच वाज एप्रिशिएटेड.
Okay.
And it's not a viva. कि भाई मुझे पता है तो मैं प्रिपेयर करके आऊँगा, फिर ये उस पे सवाल पूछेंगे, फिर मैं बोलूँगा.
Yeah. It should be discussion, yes.
वो ऐसा नहीं है. तो आप वो माइंडसेट में फंसे मत रहना कि मैं कंटेंट बनाऊँगा, फिर मैं लिखूँगा, मैं याद करूँगा, फिर उसको बोल दूँगा. That is not going to happen. आपको उसी वक्त पे सोच के शॉर्ट में जवाब देना है, जैसे आप मेंस में.
Okay, sir.
इसमें थोड़ा ऐसा प्रिपेयर किया, हर चीज़ तो आया नहीं, कुछ आया है, कुछ नहीं आया. आप उस पे से थोड़ी करोगे, कुछ लिखोगे. शॉर्ट में टू द पॉइंट जो है वो लिखोगे, नहीं तो नहीं छोड़ दोगे ना.
Yes, sir. Okay. So one doubt, sir. That was calisthenics. What you were saying, sir? Because I prepared calisthenics in thoroughly, sir. That's it.
Oh yeah. See what is the objective of calisthenics. ठीक है. It is, if you go to Google, it will tell you that it is a form of exercises to improve the enhance graceful movement of the body.
Okay.
You see, now what is graceful movement? A horse, while moving, looks so elegant and graceful.
Yeah.
And a donkey, can you understand the difference?
Okay, sir.
You see, so grace comes by the way you move, the way you conduct yourself. Okay? So the way you walk, the way you enter. So if you got a good personality, then your walk will be graceful.
Okay.
Your movements will be graceful. But if you're scared,
Yeah.
frightened, then you will falter at everything. You will not even sit properly.
Yes.
You see? So calisthenics gives you the strength in the body to acquire a very, very graceful movement. That is the objective. Now, if this you have written as your hobby, now from what I learned, you wrote this as your hobby because
Yes, I do.
because you were told to do it in school. ठीक है? School में यही बताया. But once you've been doing for so long, go and see the theoretical inputs about calisthenics. And after you do all that reading, they may not ask you anything about calisthenics. That risk is also there.
Okay. Thank you, sir.